Hey everyone, welcome in another food discovery video. In today's video, I'm gonna try a smoothie. Yeah, because I love smoothies and I discovered a recipe that I've never tried before. I'm really intrigued. It's one with dates in it. This recipe is proposed by Céline Pay on the website recetefacile.fr. Of course, it's a French website. I'll put the link in the description if you want to check it out. We're gonna see if it's good or not. Hopefully it is. So obviously this is gonna be both a quick video and a quick recipe, super easy, 4 ingredients, and that's all you need. So let's see what you need. For this recipe, you need milk. I will personally use almond milk for this recipe. Banana, we love this. Dates and a yogurt. And then it's super easy. You blend everything together and you're good to go. So let's go. My hair decided it would stay like this. It's time to taste. That's interesting. I like it. It's actually pretty close to another one that I really love. You have more than only one glass with it, so that's a bonus point. If I just had to say something about that, maybe use something to get rid of all what is not perfectly blended, or maybe blend it a little bit longer than I did. I don't know, but just be warned that dates are not the easiest thing in the world to blend. I'm actually eating while drinking. It's not such a big deal, but it's something you have to be aware of, because I know some people hate the idea of having something to eat while drinking it. So I just wanted to add this information just in case you guys mind about it, and yeah, to allow you to have the best experience with this smoothie. I can't stay serious for so long. I got rid of my glass, and I wanted to add something. I personally like the taste of it. I think it tastes good, but personally I will not do this recipe again because I think dates are so hard to blend that it's like you have to cut them before, and it's not as easy as a smoothie could be. I have another smoothie that I really love that tastes approximately the same, and so for that reason I'm gonna keep the other one more than this one in mind. That does not mean it's not worth trying. It's just a personal preference, but keep in mind that dates are hard to blend. So that was it for today's video. As I said, it was super quick. I hope you liked it, and thank you for watching, commenting, sharing, liking, everything, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!